Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating 2Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this trowel that I got at a thrift store for $1. I sanded down the center to get some of the rust off, but I didn't get all of it off. I'm going to put 2 coats or 3 of white paint over the rusty part. I don't care if the rust comes back through. It may not. I don't mind because I want it to have a very rustic look. So I'm just going to put a couple coats of that and let them dry fully between coats. And I'm not going to paint the back. Once I have that all painted, I'm going to take this napkin that has a cardinal on it that I had in my napkin bundles. There's sold out. And I'm going to lay it on to the trowel here and figure out whereabouts I want it. And then I'm just going to use my water pen to pull off all the excess napkin. So I'm just running the water pen along and then just sort of peeling the napkin as I go, getting an idea of how big I need my napkin to be. Once I have that all cut out, I'm going to take a coat of Mod Podge and I'm going to put that right on to the trowel. And just a nice thin coat. I don't want to put too much on because I don't want the napkin to wrinkle. Once I have that Mod Podge all on there, I can lay the napkin down where I want. Then I'm just going to smooth it out with my fingers, just kind of tapping it a little bit. Not putting a lot of pressure. I don't want to tear the napkin. And then just pressing it into place. And getting it where I want it. Once I had it on there and it was fully dry, I'm just going to take a sander and sand off the excess around the edges. And then just peel it off. And look at how cute this is. Next, I'm going to take my antique wax and just go over that wooden handle again, just to kind of brighten it back up. It was looking dull, and I thought that it needed another coat of the wax. And I also used a paintbrush to get inside the hanger part of the handle. And then once I have that all stained, I just let that kind of fully dry so I wasn't touching it constantly. Then I'm going to take some twine. I'm going to run that right through the handle here and then just tie it in a knot at the top so I have a hanger for it. Then just cut off that excess. Then finally, I'm going to add some greenery. I'm just going to add that right up at the top here. And I got this greenery at Walmart. I'm just going to kind of hold that in place and let it set. Then I made a bow out of some red and white ribbon. I'm going to add that to the top of the greenery. It's just a simple bow. And just set that in place, kind of fix my loops. And then finally, I'm going to add a silver jingle bell to the center of the bow. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and I absolutely love it. I just love this napkin. I've made a ton of projects with it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.